Hello everyone, friends. I think everyone has always found it useful. Which fruits are the healthiest, which are the most delicious, or the sweetest? We will show the answer now in our video. Enjoy watching. Very soon, the shelves of shops and markets will be filled with seasonal fruits and berries. We all love sweet peaches, juicy apples, and exotic coconuts, but do we know the most interesting facts about these and other fruits? Fruits and vegetables have the ability to strengthen the human immune system and protect the body from various diseases. A big plus is the content of antioxidants in vegetables and fruits, substances that slow down the aging process of the body. One of the healthiest and most popular fruits is apples. They are found almost all over the world. Apples are a unique complex of vitamins and minerals. In addition to vitamin C, they contain vitamins A, K, E, and Group B. The most important property of apples is that they relieve stress, and finally, apples are simply very tasty. The nose-tickling aroma of freshly prepared apple charlotte can make you forget about all your problems, and apple tea will calm you down and help you fall asleep. The next interesting and healthy fruit is mango. Mango is rich in vitamins B, C, A, E, as well as magnesium, calcium, iron, and zinc. Mango tastes very sweet. Various juices and salads are often made from it. Mangoes are full of nutrients that help maintain eye health. Mango contains magnesium, potassium, and the antioxidant mangiferin, which have positive effects on heart health. Thus, magnesium and potassium help lower blood pressure levels. Mango contains plant endorphins, substances that improve mood. They also activate thought processes and enhance the retention of new information. Now we will move on to the next fruit, which is called kiwi, is the fruit of a woody plant called actinidia, slightly larger than a chicken egg. It has an unusual, fuzzy skin. Most often it is removed before eating the berry, but in fact it is also edible. Antioxidants contained in kiwi help prevent cardiovascular diseases. So, 2 to 3 fruits a day are enough to reduce the risk of clogging arteries and blood vessels. Kiwi improves sleep quality in adults. It is believed that this is due to the antioxidants and serotonin it contains. The nutrients in kiwi help support heart health, improve digestion, and support immunity. The pulp is rich in vitamins, which reduce the risk of various diseases, and fiber supports normal intestinal function. Kiwi contains a lot of dietary fiber. They improve digestion and reduce the number of calories consumed by providing a long-lasting feeling of fullness. And the proteolytic enzyme actinidin helps digest most proteins. According to a study, eating at least 1 kiwi a day can help the small intestines better retain water, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. If you have fruits at home, you can make a smoothie or summer salad from them. It will enrich you with vitamins and energy for the whole day. Fruits contain many useful vitamins that will improve your health. Thank you all for watching our video.